Winds have been very strong as we've gone through the early afternoon and now the evening hours. They'll stay up through the night and on into tomorrow. We also have the chance for a few spotty snow showers. If you're watching us in areas along and to the northwest of I-81, most of the valley will likely continue to stay dry. But for tomorrow, this type of weather will be around. I don't think we'll see the snow, but the wind still could gust in excess of 40 miles per hour and feels like temperatures throughout the day will linger in the teens. On into the start of New Year's Day. I know we drop everything and the kitchen sink across the Susquehanna Valley, and as we do that, we could see some flakes flying out there just in time for the start of New Year's Day. Outside right now, we're taking a live look over Ephrata. You can see our Skycam jostling around in the stiff breeze. Right now we're 38 degrees in Ephrata, but look at these winds sustained at 40 miles per hour and gusting to 53 miles per hour. It is like a tropical storm out there in terms of the winds in some spots across the valley. Here's a look at the current sustained winds right now. 30 miles per hour in Elizabethtown, Lancaster County, 22 miles per hour if you're watching us in Lebanon, 37 miles per hour in Harrisburg. But in some locations, we are seeing gusts greater than 50 miles per hour, like currently we're seeing in Lancaster, gust of 24 miles per hour in Hanover. So strong gusty winds will continue through this evening on and tonight. You can see still some gusts off to our west greater than 40 miles per hour. So that's the air that's coming on in from the west. Showing you the bigger picture right now, you see these pink boxes here on the Storm Team Live Radar Network. Those are snow squall warnings. It is a low chance. It's possible for areas northwest of I-81 between Harrisburg and up towards Lewistown. You could see some snow showers or possibly a squall. I do believe that threat will decrease by the time we make it to midnight. So partly cloudy, strong winds, the threat of a few isolated snow showers with temperatures in the 20s to low to mid 30s. Overnight tonight, we'll keep the winds strong. We'll see some breaks in the clouds at times, but it is going to remain quite windy out there. And then blustery conditions will continue out there for our Tuesday with cooler temperatures with highs only in the low to mid 30s. And the winds tomorrow will be gusting up to near 40 miles per hour. They'll finally start to relax, but still remain blustery tomorrow evening. So we do have that wind advisory in effect until noon tomorrow, but I do believe the winds will still be strong till roughly an hour or so after sunset. Here's a look at the temperatures where they peaked. This was around lunchtime, made it to 54 in Gettysburg. It was 48 in Lancaster, but we have cooled off substantially across the region. Now down to 28 in Lewistown, currently 36 if you're joining us from Lebanon. So 40s, 30s, 20s, and teens, and then single digits. So there's the powerful storm spinning over Ontario, moving into Quebec, and we have high pressure building in over the upper plains, and it's the pressure difference between the two that's making it so windy and will keep it windy through the night tonight and for your Tuesday. So blustery conditions, brisk breeze will be out there first thing in the morning. May get some sunshine at times in the morning, but more cloud cover will build in as we go through the afternoon. Much of our Wednesday is going to be fairly gloomy out there. The winds will be lighter, but we're going to stay unseasonably chilly. It's late Wednesday night as we head off to New Year's Eve parties. Just be prepared for more clouds. And right around the stroke of midnight, we're going to watch this cold front come in from the northwest, and we could see some isolated snow showers very late Wednesday night on into the beginning of New Year's Day. Not looking for much accumulation, just perhaps a light coating in some spots out there. Greater accumulations likely along and to the west of I-99. But we're going to keep that winter chill around. Highs only in the lower 30s for your Tuesday and Wednesday. First day of 2026, highs only in the upper 20s. It'll stay brisk and cold but dry for the weekend ahead. Could see some spotty snow showers returning to the region for Monday and Tuesday of next week.